Everyone wants to get straight A's, but many students believe it's an impossible task. What if I told you that both getting straight A's and learning to focus are easier than you think? In this video, I'm combining the secrets of mastering focus with the strategies for academic success. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Let's dive in and make straight A's a reality with these easy tips. 1. Rewire your mindset. The first step to making straight A's easy is changing how you view studying. It's not about how long you study, but how effectively you use your time. By using techniques like Parkinson's Law, where you give yourself shorter time frames to complete tasks, you can make studying more efficient and stress-free. Remember, the smartest students are those who know how to study less, but achieve more. 2. Mastering focus is easy. Focus is a muscle that needs training, and with the right techniques, mastering focus can be easier than you think. Implementing deep work sessions, as discussed by experts like Cal Newport, can drastically improve your concentration. By dedicating specific 90-minute blocks to focus study without distractions, you can accomplish more in less time, making the path to straight A's smoother and more manageable. 3. Active recall and focused study. One of the easiest ways to improve your grades and focus simultaneously is by using active recall. This method involves constantly testing yourself with practice questions instead of passively reading notes. Combine this with focused study sessions, and you'll find that learning becomes more straightforward, and your ability to retain information improves drastically. 4. Make studying fun. Studying doesn't have to be a chore. When you make studying enjoyable, it becomes easier to focus and retain information. Gamify your study sessions by using tools like Quizlet, and treat each session like a game. When studying is fun, getting straight A's becomes much easier than you ever imagined. Making straight A's and learning to focus doesn't have to be hard. With the right mindset and easy-to-apply techniques, you can master both. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make academic success easy.